Ingo and I am working for Hanse-Aerospace in Hamburg, in Germany. Hanse-Aerospace is the largest German independent business association for SMEs in aviation. We have about 150 member companies and have been supporting them in digitalization for several years. We organize dissemination activities by developing marketing material for end users and by participating in trade fairs and events where the project results are presented. At the same time, we coordinate the activities in the 3 project pilots and use cases. The goal is to coordinate between the end users with their unique requirements and the software developers. The project is so interesting for us because our member companies have the opportunity to test various innovative tools and functions of the platform and implement them permanently in their business processes. Especially against the background of the current COVID-19 crisis, this supports the necessary digitalization, especially in SMEs. This enables the companies to remain competitive and to remain capable of acting in the supply chains of large manufacturers. Hanse-Aerospace offers SMEs in the aviation industry explicit support in the use of new technologies and tools via this innovative platform. We are also a founding member of the European Factory Foundation, EFF. We have thus secured long-term access to the platform and can thus offer our members enormous added value. Of course, we are also actively support the EFF and its activities to attract new members and possibly generate business opportunities for our member companies.